In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your iPhone email not syncing after an update, specifically focusing on troubleshooting Apple Mail not syncing with your Gmail account on an iPhone. Let's jump right in. First, you want to ensure that your internet connection is strong and stable. It might sound basic, but at times a weak connection can be the underlying issue why your emails are not syncing properly. Make sure your iPhone is connected to either Wi-Fi or cellular data. Without a stable connection, those emails just won't sync. Next up, let's reboot your iPhone. This straightforward action can often solve various glitches and refresh your entire system. To do this, simply turn your iPhone off and then on again. It's a quick and easy way to clear out any temporary issues that might be affecting your device's performance. Now let's dive a bit deeper into your mail settings. We want to ensure that your mail app is set to sync. Start by heading over to settings. From there, navigate to apps, then mail, and go to accounts. Find your Gmail account in the list. Once you're looking at your Gmail account settings, toggle the mail option off. Wait a few seconds and then toggle it back on. This process can help to refresh the syncing process between your iPhone and Gmail. Moving forward, let's check your Gmail settings further. You want to open settings once more, go to apps, then mail, and again to accounts. Look for the fetch new data option and open it. Make sure the push setting is turned on. If push isn't available, set it to fetch instead. Then scroll down to see the fetch settings and ensure that Gmail is set to sync at your preferred interval. This is a crucial step for those who need constant email updates and want to avoid missing important messages. If your email still isn't syncing after following these steps, removing and re-adding your Gmail account might do the trick. Head back into the settings, go to Mail, then Accounts, and select Gmail. Tap on Delete Account to remove it from your device. After you've removed it, go back into the Account section, tap Add Account, choose Google, and sign back into your Gmail account. These steps should help you navigate and resolve the sync issues between your iPhone's Mail app and your Gmail account. By methodically checking your connection, rebooting, adjusting settings, and finally re-adding the account, you should be able to get your emails flowing smoothly once again. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips were helpful. Remember, a well-synced email ensures you're always up to date with what's important.